Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, is a crowdsourcing platform where people complete small online tasks for payment. These tasks can include surveys, data labeling, image categorization, transcription, and AI training work. It sounds like an easy way to earn money online, but the real question is, does it actually make money? Now, to be fair, MTurk is a legitimate platform owned by Amazon, and many users have earned money through it. However, your earnings depend heavily on the tasks you qualify for and the amount of time you're willing to invest. What it does well: legitimate earning platform. MTurk has been around for years and pays users for completing approved tasks. Flexible schedule. You can work whenever you want without committing to fixed hours. Where the hype falls apart: don't expect a full-time income. For most people, MTurk is better suited as a side hustle than a replacement for a regular job. Many tasks pay very little. Some human intelligence tasks, or hits, may only pay a few cents, making the hourly rate quite low. Higher-paying work is competitive. The best-paying tasks are often claimed quickly or require qualifications and a good approval rating. So, should you try Amazon MTurk? Short answer: yes, if you're looking for a flexible way to earn a little extra money. If you're realistic about the earning potential and don't mind completing repetitive tasks, it can be a legitimate side income. But don't expect to earn hundreds of dollars a day from casual use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.